video, we will write a program that takes a string and returns the number of unique characters using a set. Okay, in this we will write in the set test we have the string, so we will write we will make another set of external set of character as equal to new has set. Now inside it we will pass or we will write a string or we will get a input from the user scanner equal to new scanner system dot in enter the string. Now we will take scanner dot next line. We will take string string is equal to. Now using the set we will see how many we will see return the number of unique characters. So will for each. Sorry, we have another print. We will take now we will insert the uh, character of the string into the set for equal to actually the string is st1 dot size. We will dot another st1 dot character add 5, and after that we will print the speech or set for number of unique vector is. Will enter the string, select the string is someone is good boy. Then we will get the size of the set or the number of European vectors is 1. We can take enter a string that is someone is good boy. Then we'll see the size of set of the number of unique characters, then which is AMNIS GODB and Y. Thank you.